So, do you have any tips for drivers who use a Tesla to drive for Uber, um, like the best times to charge your car, how to make more money, how to keep the car clean,
Oh,
stuff like that?
okay. You gotta know your market. Okay. You gotta know your so Teslas run on, they run on charge. So you gotta know your towns are peak and off peak times. They're gonna get you on those. The reason why they're gonna get you on those is because a lot of people are not fueling their cars. They're looking for alternatives, and or they're not driving their cars, or they're not even buying. So they're looking for way to tax. So they're racing. They're going after the charging stations. So I think our rate was like 6 point something percent, and now it's like 15. I'm not exactly sure, but the rest, the taxes on the charging, and then there is on and off peak times. If you could charge at home, that is awesome. You knock off like half the price if you charge at home. The only thing is that at home, it's an all-nighter. You have to leave it there like all night for it to charge. Tesla chargers
Yeah.
charge you in 30 minutes. It is a good thing to skip if you're charging and there's a lot of space. Skip one, because when you park in one spot, when you park on right next to the to another Tesla charging, you share the same charge, so it splits.
Okay.
It cuts in half. So you skip one. You skip one. This way you're not sharing the same charge. Um, the my strategy with the Tesla. This is a must. Pick up, drop off, stay put. Stop moving around. Stop chasing. Not don't chase anything. Just pick up, drop off, and just sit there. The money that you waste on looking for a ride is more expensive because you're wasting charge, and then you get a cheap
Yeah.
ride and all that stuff. So pick up, drop off, stay put. Um, put it on chill mode. There's a chill mode and there's a standard mode. Standard mode, you step on it, the damn thing just takes off. Let alone when it takes off, you get clients in the car. Clients that complain and they say that you're speeding, but you're really not. So put it on chill mode so it takes off. Nice and smoothly. And then you also
Okay.
preserve a little bit of battery too on that. Um, what else? Man, in this heat, I will say always keep the temperature of the AC, but with this heat, you gotta have tinted windows. Uh,
Yeah.
um, if you're renting it, get a toll pass. Do not do not use the Hertz. They're gonna rob you. You know that
Oh.
they charge you the tolls, and then they charge you an inconvenience fee that's the same amount as the tolls.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so I have got a lot of guys, and I always tell them, I say, you know, toll tag, because they're paying about $800 in tolls, but it's because half of it is tolls and the other half is the inconvenience fee. Yeah, they begin a little scammy with that stuff, and they already did it to me once, and I already have a toll tag, and then you have to keep track of Hertz, because not Hertz, the company that deals with Hertz that collects the tolls, because sometimes, I'm sorry, not sometimes, all the time, you'll be paying it on your tolls, and you'll also be paying it through them too. So you'll be paying, double. So you have to always keep on top of
Okay.
whoever takes care of the tolls, and
Y-
keep track of it. But get a toll pass. It helps a lot. It saves you a lot. Um, Charging, do it off peak times. Your it should be on Twitter. Everybody should have the electrical companies should be on Twitter and find out what their on and off peak times are, and or at the Tesla website. That makes a big difference. I didn't know that till like a couple of weeks ago. So, and I was charging. I was like, why is my charge coming out so high? And it was because of that. It was because I was getting charged double for charging during peak times.
Oh, wow. Yeah,
Um,
that's definitely something good to like look out for, like for the people that want to start using a Tesla.
yeah. Keep the car clean. Um, if you wax the car, wax all the windshields, all the glass too. The car becomes more aerodynamic and you get better mileage out of it too.
Okay.
Um, well, what else do I use? Bring your own food. Do not eat out. Never eat out. That is so horrible. Do not eat out. And if you need to heat up the food, just leave it in the front. Just leave it in the front of the car. In this heat, it'll heat up. Put it in the
Yeah.
microwave.
Okay.
Um, I don't know what else.
I mean, that was already a lot of tips, but if you can think of anything else, you're welcome to share.
Yeah, no, I usually have them all in my strategy book and on my YouTube channel, the little strategies that I use, and that's with the Tesla. But my main one is basically just be like, it's like pick up, drop off, and stay put. You know,
Yeah.
don't shut the app off.
Okay. And